Namaste all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Abhijit this side and today with me Pavi. So we back with another tutorial video, and this video we will try to explore the twisted compass pose. Twisted compass pose again is a advanced yoga pose. So we will start with the warm up, then we will go for the beginner to multi-level of the practice. Leg straight now. As I already explained, this is twisted compass pose. So twisted means of course you have to twist your spine, then it's considered as a hip opening practice as well as. So we start with the warm up. Open the leg, wider the feet according to the shoulders. We do the Bhu Namanasana twisting. Inhale, open your arms, stretch your arms, look forward. Exhale, twist to the right side, palms behind your back, bring the head close to the ground or to the ground. Inhale, come back, open your arms. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. So this twisting is called Bhu Namanasana twisting. Come back to the center and relax. So this twisting you can do for 5 to 10 rounds. So this will help you to give flexibility to your spine region and lower back. After that, feet together, leg straight. Bend your right knee. Interlock your fingers, catch your right thigh. Inhale, right knee to chest. Exhale, knee straight and feet up. So this will help you to reduce your tightness from the hamstring. Do this for few rounds, like a 5 to 10 round. After that, be there and rotate your right knee for 5 rounds. Bend the right knee and rotate your leg. Draw a big circle with your feet. 5 in the clockwise and 5 in the anti-clockwise direction. Same with the another leg. Then come back to the center, leg straight. From here, go for the butterfly or bond angle pose. Bend the knees, feet together and do butterfly for 10 to 20 rounds. If you are not enough with 10 to 20 rounds, you can go for 50 to 40 rounds as well. It's very individual thing. After that, palms forward to your mat and breathe out, fold forward. So this posture will help you to open your hip joint, as well as it will help you to remove the tightness and stiffness from your lower back. Do this for 5 to 4 rounds. Inhale, come back. Exhale, go down. Come back to the center, be there. You can do this for 5 rounds or 10 rounds. After that, inhale, knees up. Hug your knees, push your knees to each other. Exhale, push your knees to the ground, try to touch the ground with your knees and try to look forward. Continue, inhale, knees up. Exhale, push it down. Do this for 5 to 10, then stop the practice, leg straight. So this practice will help you to warm your body. This will help you to warm your hip, spine and leg. After that, we go for the posture. So turn your face any one side and keep the leg straight. First we do the simple spinal twisting pose, then we do the spinal twisting pose, then we try to go for the twisted compass pose. From here, bend your right knee, place your feet next to your left thigh. Then your right palm behind your back to the ground and keep the palm to the level of your spine. Slowly inhale, opposite hand up, left hand up, exhale, twist to the right and lock your thigh with your opposite biceps. Maintain for 5 breath. Now if you are comfortable, you can catch your right ankle with your opposite palm. If cannot, it's all okay, no need to catch and look back. Be there for 5 to 10 breaths, then slowly breathe out, come back, release your leg, stretch your leg forward. Same you can do with the another side. Opposite hand up and exhale, twist to your left, hold. Same option, if you can grab this ankle, look back. Okay, come back, leg straight. So this practice for the beginner. After that, we can take more challenge. So from here, bend your both knees. So look here, when you are doing this posture, don't widen your knees too much. Try to keep it together or closer. If you cannot join it, close it. because if you open more you cannot really get balance. Second thing, don't bring your heels too close to your hip, you cannot control your body, so make some gap there. Then keep the palms on the ground, start again, inhale, raise your left hand up, then join your knees together, then exhale, twist to your right side and maintain. At the same time move your right palm behind your back to ground and hold. If comfortable, you can catch your right ankle with your left palm and look back. Be there for 5 to 10 rounds, 10 breathe, then come back and go opposite way. So now right hand up, exhale, twist to the left and hold, look back. Come back to the center. Be there and look straight. Nothing to do from here. Catch your right feet with your both palm. You can also catch your ankle. You can use yoga strap or belt or towel. After that, exhale, knee straight, feet up and hold. No need to force. Always your head, neck, back in a straight line. If you are comfortable from here, you can slowly close your elbows. Stretch your leg and hold for 5 to 10 rounds. Then come back. Do the same with the another leg. And come back. So this practice beginner can follow for if they want to go for the final posture. After that we explore the final posture now. So sit in the same position. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, twist to your right side and catch your right ankle with your left palm. Now, no need to look back, look forward and look at your feet, then opposite feet. Move your left feet up and catch your feet with your right palm. Hold. Nothing to do, just hold. If you are comfortable with your balance, exhale, stretch your leg up, then twist your neck and look back. So this is called the spinal twisting pose. Give a nice twisting and nice stretching to your leg. Maintain for 5 to 10 rounds. Hold there. For more challenging from here, you can lock yourself, then slowly exhale your another leg up and look back. So this is the advanced posture. If you are not able to go for this, you can go for the simple spinal twisting pose or simple twisted compass pose. Then come back to the center. Do the same with the another side, so we can see with a different angle. Right hand up, no need, just face to the same side, face this side. Okay, so raise your right hand up now. Exhale, twist to the left, catch your left ankle with your right palm, then look forward, catch your right feet with your left palm, exhale, knee straight, feet up, look back. So you can see this leg is totally straight. So this is the twisted compass pose. You can see the shoulder is aligned in a one line, spine is straight there. Hold. If you're really comfortable with the balance, go for the final posture, both leg up, look back. Okay, then slowly come back. Turn your face forward and sit comfortably. So this is how we can go for the twisted compass pose or spinal twisting pose. Before we are going to do any exercise, we must have to follow the authentic and the warm up what we required for the practice. We cannot directly jump for the practice. It can be cause for the injury or it can be cause for the sometimes we can see the hardcore practitioner, they are having back pain and lower back pain. So whenever you are trying to explore advanced yoga practice, try to follow the proper warm up, then we can go for the practice there. So this is all about today. We will see you again with another new video. You can drop your comment in the comment box what posture you want to learn. We will try to make tutorial for that. Thank you and namaste. Please do like and subscribe my channel.